morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I know it's not an easy start to the week when you jump onto a CPD. Firstly, yes, I've had C Legal & Co for 3 years now, and we specialise in asset protection. So the whole testamentary trust world to us is our forte. We love working with clients in this space. And we're really passionate about educating our clients, our referrers, other lawyers that don't necessarily practice in this area, all about the risks to an estate, both from the personal assets and also assets in companies and trusts that do not form part of the estate, as you'd all be well aware. So today I really am taking a bit of a different approach. I've got no PowerPoint. I get sick of being part of presentations and there's all these PowerPoints. I actually just want this to be an open forum discussion as much as possible. So jump in with your questions as I go through the presentation. And we're going to be touching on, as the topic says, Testamentary Trust 101. I want to touch on the most important parts of a testamentary trust will and the actual terms, being the trustee, appointor, beneficiaries, and also that protection from kind of matrimonial claims as well. We'll then get into kind of more the tips to structuring a testamentary trust will, from ones that I have had to review and amend, and I see a lot of, to the ones that we use and why we structure it the way that we do. And then we'll go into kind of more, as I've kind of been seeing, the more risks to estates and kind of where we're heading, and maybe some innovative ideas as to things that we can think of as practitioners that maybe, you know, we can have some change in this area to help things, to help the risks reduce and be mitigated. So I'm going to jump into testamentary trust wills. I know I'm speaking to an audience that if you guys don't practice in this area, amazing. If you do, these are going to be concepts you know and you advise your clients of. But really getting into kind of those more technical aspects to a testamentary trust will. So majority of my clients are in that higher net worth category, and so that already warrants the protection of the testamentary trust will for their bloodline children.